What? Can you hear me? Sorry, the fan is on full blast. I'm boiling alive in here. It's like 86 degrees in here, and I might be melted into a puddle by the time this video is over. If I don't make it, please tell Sharpie he's a good boy. Okay, really, I hope the fan is not that bad. It is on 100%. I am melting to death, but I have a plan. It's a little late of a plan, but here's the plan. I did watch a video by one of my favorite creators. Her name is Robin with Creativity RV, and she showed these cute little fans that go in usually an ocean, like a cruiser cabin or something like that. So she has like 3 of them. They're $30 a piece. They are magnetic, and I decided to order 2 of them. So I think on the opposite side of my door, pointing towards my bed slash couch, is where I'm going to put the fans. And I have the Max Air fans sucking hot air out. I do have my van pointing southwest as she recommended. I have my window coverings on. I have my vent in the windows in both of them, my vents. And I am waiting for these 2 cruiser fans to show up today. So we will check back in later when it is still going to be oppressively hot. I also ordered this swamp cooler thing that she recommended. I don't expect that is going to work very well in like 86% humidity, because they don't work in humidity. They work in dry heat from what I understand. But I am desperate and I am going to try it, and we will see how it goes. So stay tuned. My fans are not expected to arrive until 5 o'clock now, and it is like 93 degrees outside. It is about 87 in here, so it's not too bad. My fans are finally here. Right out of the box, I will say I'm charging them on my Jackery, but check this out, there's speeds. Not sure if that's where I'm going to leave them, but I do feel quite a breeze coming from the 2 of them. This might be a good thing. Hey, so all in all, I had those fans running for most of the night. They must have been on some kind of cycle. I didn't turn it on to the cycle, like 2 hour, 4 hour, 6 hour, because they did shut off and I thought they were done. And I did put them on the bottom of the door, or the middle of the door, excuse me, and they blew right on me, and it saved my bacon last night. So that was a great recommendation from Creativity RV. I did not try the Eva Polar or whatever that thing is, the swamp cooler, because it's just too humid and I know it's not going to work. But definitely those fans were worth it. So thanks for watching, and I will talk to you again soon. Bye.